all the work, 10 hours of work doing takeoffs, sending them the bid, by their deadline. And
Okay.
when I'm following up, I'm getting ghosted.
Give me a bid, hypothetically, real quick. We'll spend 2 minutes on this. Give me a bid that somebody's ghosted you on. How much and what are they buying?
Pros at Deerbrook, they're buying carpet, tile, and flooring, and they need it by December.
Why do they need it by December?
Because that's when they're going to review the contract to let it out.
When you say review the contract and let it out, can you give me a specific example?
Yeah, we're going to look at your bid, Harold, and we're going to compare a price.
Perfect. How many units are in this community?
You got me here. I know where you're going with that.
Just how many units? Just answer. How many units are at that community?
365.
Okay. Is it a C class, B class, A class?
A class.
What city?
Houston.
What's your average rate for an A class unit in Houston, Texas?
I have no idea. Rate?
Yeah, rent.
$1 million.
No, rent.
Rent. $1,500 a month. $3,000 a month.
Bingo. Okay? 332 units times $3,000 a month. I don't have my calculator in front of me. This is the kind of stuff I need you to be doing, Harold, right?
Okay.
Top line revenue, right?
Okay.
I'm calling to see if it makes sense for us to bid on the project at 1132 Oak Street so you can get those 332 A-class units in Dallas occupied and collecting revenue ahead of schedule, resulting in an additional $1.4 million to Waypoint Residential every day that apartment is leased up sooner. Does it make sense for you to go with us? Checkmate.
That makes sense, and I'll definitely buy from you, Matt.
100%.